with the KX Storm team.
This is the short square roping crew from Ashley, North Dakota. Hey, Tom, how's the weather?
Yeah, how is the weather? That was very, very cool in the arena there and everything. And the video was from Michael Bickler. So, Michael, thank you for that. 71 degrees, northwest wind at 9, and the dew point is very low at 40, so it's a comfortable air mass. Even drier air mass in Bismarck's 38 degrees dew point, temperature 77, in Williston 74, 34 for the dew point, and in Dickinson 71, dew point at 36. And I know we've probably had stretches where the dew points have been this low in June in the past. Probably happens a lot, but I just seem to remember the real sultry days. And by the way, this weekend I think that we'll see some dew points back into the 60s. So enjoy this. Temperatures right now, 60s and 70s across western North Dakota. It looks like the warmest temperature on this map would be Bismarck, but most everybody else in the low to mid 70s, so very pleasant conditions, but it is breezy. And the place where it's least breezy at all, and this doesn't happen very often, is in Minot at 9 miles an hour. But you can see 15 to 25 mile an hour sustained winds in many areas. So a very breezy afternoon. And well, this dropped. Oh, there it is. Williston, 37 mile an hour wind gusts, nearly 30 mile an hour wind gusts in Dickinson. Bismarck, 23 mile an hour wind gusts. So it is pretty blustery from place to place, except up in the north central around Minot. Now, when we're looking at the satellite and radar, and I do have the lightning detection turned on, so I don't see any lightning or any storms in North Dakota. It looks like they're up in Canada. And once the sun goes down, a lot of these are going to go away. And I was watching Good Day Dakota this morning. Amber River was pointing out where that lift was, a disturbance in Canada, and it was way up in the northwest. But the timing was it got here during the heating of the day. It triggered these things, and now it's going to be moving out. Sun's going to go down. It'll just settle down even more tonight. And the computer model does indicate there's still the possibility of a quick little shower, but watch what happens, because over the next few hours, starting at 7, the sun's going to go down, so they're going to go out of here, and then the sky's going to clear out. And now, even at midnight tonight, it looks like very light wind, and maybe a few clouds in the south, but that should be pretty much it. And then as we get up tomorrow morning early in the day, this is the computer models picking up on at least a little cloud cover between Bismarck and Minot. Whether that happens remains to be seen. But overall, most areas will be fairly clear. Light wind to start the day, and then throughout the day, notice the color comes back. Man, that means the wind comes back too. We'll have a few more clouds. And it is going to be breezy again tomorrow, and it's going to be breezy on Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday, it'll be even stronger wind, so we'll be talking about windy conditions then. And then by tomorrow afternoon, looks like, again, fairly dry weather, but it'll be breezy. So here's a look at the next 72 hours for Dickinson. It's going to heat up quite a bit by Saturday. I don't think the dew points get quite as high in Dickinson as like other areas. Williston, upper 80s by Saturday. You can see those temperatures there. Tonight, mid-40s to around 50 degrees. Tomorrow, 70s and even some low 80s. So it is slowly starting to warm up. Here's a look at the Bismarck 7-day, and over the weekend it's going to get windy. We're going to have a little more humidity in place, and there will be a chance of storms, but between now and then, a lot of sunshine and just breezy.
We like that. We like that.
We don't like the breezy. Breezy means windy usually.
Oh, we like the sun.
You know, same old. Next.